Australia's fiercely competitive pickup truck, or UTA, market has just been shaken up with the arrival of two all-new models from China, signaling that the world's biggest auto manufacturing powerhouse is now dead serious about taking over this lucrative segment. The fresh contenders? The JAC Hunter PHEV and the Foton Tunland V7 and V9, two very different trucks that reflect just how diverse and ambitious the Chinese approach to the pickup market has become. Let's start with the JAC Hunter. This plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is based on JAC's existing T9 platform, but steps things up in a big way. JAC has clearly set its sights on higher-end competitors like the BYD Shark 6 and even the Ford Ranger Raptor, a bold move considering the Raptor's near-legendary status in Australia. The Hunter doesn't just aim to compete, it wants to dominate, and on paper, it may have the firepower to do just that. The JAC Hunter PHEV is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine paired with not one, but two electric motors, one on each axle. This gives the pickup 516 horsepower and a massive 737 lb-ft of torque. That puts it comfortably ahead of the BYD Shark SIXS 430 horsepower and even eclipses the Ford Ranger Raptor, which produces 391 horsepower. That's no small feat for a relative newcomer. But it's not just about brute strength. The Hunter also comes with a 31.2 kilowatt-hour battery, offering up to 100 kilometers of all-electric driving range. Plus, it includes vehicle-to-load capability, essentially turning the truck into a mobile generator, perfect for camping, work sites, or emergency power needs. What's still under wraps, however, are key specs like payload, towing capacity, and of course price. These will be crucial to its success in a country where utility is king, and buyers want proof that a flashy newcomer can actually pull its weight. Meanwhile, Photon has entered the fray with not one, but two pickups, the Tonland V7 and the Tonland V9. While Photon is primarily known for its commercial trucks, it's now eyeing the lifestyle and consumer truck market, hoping to carve out a niche against established players like Toyota, Ford, and Isuzu. The V7 is being marketed as a rugged, no-frills workhorse, aimed at trot eyes and businesses that just want something that gets the job done. The V9, on the other hand, is being positioned as a more refined version, featuring advanced suspension and better on-road manners, making it a more appealing option for families and everyday drivers. Under the hood, both the V7 and V9 feature a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine mated to a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering 161 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque. While these numbers are more modest compared to the JAC Hunter, they align more closely with the traditional expectations for affordable, reliable diesel-powered utes in Australia. Though full Australian specifications are yet to be released, both Photon and JAC are expected to announce pricing and additional capabilities in the coming months. What's clear, however, is that Chinese automakers are doubling down on the pickup segment, not just in Australia, but across global markets. And while these trucks may not be headed for the US anytime soon, their presence in a market as discerning and loyal as Australia is a big statement. Whether it's raw power and hybrid tech from JAC or rugged diesel simplicity from Photon, one thing is certain. The UTA war in Australia just got a whole lot more interesting.